How's it going, guys? My name's Kurtis here at Coretto in DY, here to make for you one of our non-alcoholic cocktails with Lyre's non-alcoholic spirit. Now we're going to look at the versatility of some of these liquids. We're going to start with what is our essentially London dry style of gins, with the juniper notes very much in the forefront. That's going to act as our base for this drink. Now we're going 45 mils straight into our shaker. Now, as we previously talked about, Lyre's is named after the Australian lyrebird that mimics sound. 15 mils of our triple sec, giving it a nice little orange note. We wanted to boost that orange note a little bit further with our Vermouth Rosso. Now, one of the best things about Lyre's you'll find when you are making drinks at home is the palate and the nose very much mimics all the spirits, what we'd expect if we were using an alcoholic version. So you can interchange these for all your favorite recipes or start to come up with one of your own, which is what we've done here. To finish it off, we need some lime juice, 30 mils straight in, 20 mils of our pineapple juice, and 10 mils of our lemon myrtle syrup. Now, to make this at home, all you need to be doing is infusing 2 or 3 dried lemon myrtle leaves into a little bit of sugar and water, and it'll give you a lovely lemon zesty note in the drink. All of it straight in. We're going to get some ice, and we're going to shake it. Now, it is important, if we are shaking at home, you don't have to be using a cocktail tin. You can be using a water bottle, a protein shaker. In these tough times we're not able to get to a bar, we can think smart and creative and have a little bit of fun with what we're shaking with. We're going to double strain straight over some clear ice from our friends at Bare Bones. That is our Lyre's non-alcoholic Songbird.